Alright, welcome back to today's episode. I'm gonna thank you for coming back to begin with. As I said when we finished out the last one, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna vacuum all the walls off, get all that insulation that's just laying there, finish cleaning up the floor, and take care of that, get the stuff out here. I'm gonna start cutting the wood floor out of here, and we'll see what's under this thing. We already know what's in the back side. There's going to be need to be a little repair, little wire brush work for what I've got going there, and so here we go. Okay, got it all cleaned up in here. The floor is cleaned up. The walls are defuzzed, something. There's a little bit of insulation left here and there, but otherwise it's all been scraped off. Now the moment has come. We're going to see what's under these floors. Alright. Here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to take the depth of my saw and adjust it to the thickness of the wood. So come right here. Right there. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of removing the floor. I plan on having it done. I got a late start today. I got to go to work tonight, so I'm going to run through this real quick, and I'm leaving the edges here so that the frame doesn't sit down. I don't know if it will or not because it's sitting up on top of this, but I'm not taking a chance. I'm going to take that out as I go to put the floor back in after I do the repairs that need to be done in the welding. I'm going to cut the belly pan off because it's an absolute mess. Try and keep water out of here. Seal that all up real good and get a floor back in here, get walls back in here, get it painted, oh man, just a lot of stuff. Got to wire it, everything else, and we'll bring you along for everything that we're going to do. So here we go. Going to get started back on the floor. Well, good morning, YouTube. Glad y'all came back to watch this, and hope you come back for the rest of the series as I'm getting along with walking on ribs here, because I pretty much got most of the let's turn around here. I pretty much got most of the flooring up. I'm going to get this flooring up. I'm going to take the belly pan off today, and we'll see where we go from there. I'm just letting this trailer take me where it needs to go. So as I pull back layers of it, I go to address it. So we're going to get started on this, and let's go. Hey YouTube, I didn't really pick the camera up or do anything after I did the slow-mo thing here, and I am belly pan less for the most part. Hopefully you can see that. I'm just running the phone around, finishing up today's stuff. A lot of dirt in here, a lot of holes. My plan is probably tomorrow I will bring out, I've got a power washer, and I will bring it out here and I will wash what's left, power wash everything that's left, and power wash some of this rust off, it'll get a couple of days to dry, and then I'll get back at it, and I gotta get some, we're gonna replace about 4 outriggers, actually, about 4 outriggers. Going to add in some stuff to shore up the frame. I've got a piece here that needs to be welded back. There was quite a bit of rust in the front part of this, and there's quite a bit of rust in the rear. We're going to use some flat steel and do some things to make the frame good again. Then I'm going to encase it in some kind of rust paint, and then we'll put the belly pan back on, put the floors back in, actually put the belly pan back on, wire it, or I may wire it before I put the belly pan back on, but wire 12 volts going in first. The 7-pin from the truck tow vehicle will go in first, and then we'll trace it from there. So moving right along. Thank you for subscribing. I probably bring you back out tomorrow and let you see it after I wash it. I'm not sure I want to get my phone/camera all wet tomorrow, so that probably won't be videoed, but we'll get that done. We'll let you have a look at it, and then we'll carry on. So, thank you.